Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you how I make this super delicious piri piri chicken. For this recipe, I used salt, olive oil, smoked paprika powder, garlic, deboned chicken thighs, and my homemade piri piri sauce. Start with seasoning the chicken with salt, garlic, olive oil, and smoked paprika powder. Turn it around and season the other side as well. In the meantime, heat a skillet over medium heat, and before you add the chicken, make sure that the skillet is hot. First, cook the side with the skin on it and cook that side until the skin is nice and crispy. Then turn it around and cook the other side until the chicken is fully cooked. Now lower the heat and add the piri piri sauce on both sides. Now put the lid on the skillet and allow it to cook until the sauce thickens up. And to add a little pop of color and taste, I like to sprinkle it with some fresh cilantro. If you want to know how you can make a delicious tomato-based chicken stew, check out this video. And for a delicious fresh rosemary chicken recipe, check out this video. Thanks for watching, guys.